Hello, this is gonna be a video about weird sound effects and phrases. That's my annoying brother. Okay, put the phone.
I've got balls of steel.
Are you done with your Are you done with your
No.
I guess you shit your brother.